Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out.
Hi people! It's a brand new day and it's a new vlog. So for today's video, nag-staycation na naman kami, and ang staycation na to because of birthday ni Mark. So ito yung gift ko sa kanya. We are staying here at the condo unit in Vine Residences. So ayan. So we are planning to celebrate his birthday here, just the three of us again. As usual, so ayun ang ating birthday celebrant ng April 7. So we're just enjoying the stay. We're gonna swim in a while and cook, enjoy the day. So I'm gonna give you the rest of the tour in a while, so keep on watching. So hi guys, this is the kitchen area. Super kompleto na rin sila dito. May mga oils na rin dyan. So, ito yung mga utensils and everything. So, pagpasok natin yun ang bungad and of course, the banyo. So, sa banyo natin, what I like is very neat, very complete, kahit medyo madaming gamit. So, meron na rin sila dyang mga toiletries na. So, ayan. So, ayan. Katapat mismo ng lutuan. So, ayan. And then, after that, we'll have the things na nandito, panluto and everything. And then, meron silang shoe rack. And ayan, may pa-welcome table silang ganyan. Dito yung mga important things mo pa yun. So, ayan. And then, after that is dining na. Ayan. Tapos, meron silang pa-mirror dyan. Pa-aesthetic camera. Tapos, ang ganda nung kanilang ceiling lang. Tapos, ito yung other door. Hindi namin siya in-avail kasi tatlo lang naman kami. So, we're gonna use the one bed lang. So, nalock na lang yan. So, hindi kami makatingin kung ano itsura dyan. And here's the bedroom. So, after ng sala natin, nandito yung bintana. We have the bedroom na. So, sa bedroom natin, super bango. Super bango and super linis. Kahit dito sa kusina ang bango, din ayan yung aircon natin. And we have the cabinet there. And then, yung view namin, we don't have that much view kasi. Aray ko. So, ayan. So, let's see. Pag-ibig sila. Ayan. Ito lang yung view namin. Ayan. Kasi dito lang naman kami sa area. So, not to enjoy much for the view. But for the unit itself, ayan, meron silang pa toys and things. May pa-karaoke. Ayan, mag-iingay kami mamaya yung mga kaya. May pa-coffee. Ayan. And then, meron silang katulad nga ng usual natin. May towels, tissue, ayan, and everything. So, there! Guys, we're going home na and we really enjoyed our stay. Tignan naman yung lobby nila. Ang cute. Ang laki ng lobby. Ayan, ito yung birthday boy natin. Manong! Happy birthday! Ayan, si Pinatayan, no? Ayan. So, dito yung ano nila. Dito yung pool area nila. Tapos, ito yung entrance ng lobby. So, magkatapat lang. So, usually talaga, ang setup nila, lahat ng amenities nila nasa gitna and nakapaligod din yung mga tower. So, dito pala, konti pa lang yung tower na may mga tenants. Mostly, puro tower 5 pa lang daw. Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
How do I tell you I need you? Are you still the breath in my lungs? My body shakes till the blood in my face.